Hello and welcome. My name is Debbie Reed. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Today I'm going to just show you an alternative card that I made with the paper pumpkin. And these are the two cards that I made. And I'm going to show you how to do this one. So let's get started. So I ended up looking at the cute little envelope that comes with this kit, and it's in Cherry Cobbler. So I decided to go ahead and use a Cherry Cobbler card base. The card base that you get with the kit is this one, and it just wasn't really doing much for me, no matter how I turned it. So I went with the Cherry Cobbler. Then I ended up taking the Arranger Wreath, and I took the two die-cut wreaths out of this set, and I made the two wreaths. And so with the kit, you get this cute little joy sentiment. You get the little wreath. You get this already textured paper and this little tag. And then I also cut out this piece so that this will overlay, and I'll show you how I put the card together. So in the kit, they give you, I already have this lined up here, they give you this cute little wreath, and you're to stamp this stamp on it. So let me get close so I can point out this little dot right here and this little dot right there are where you line this up. There's a little open spot. And when you actually stamp this and have that lined up, then those little berries show up exactly where they're supposed to be, and it's absolutely adorable. So that's that. All right, now to just assemble this cute little card, and it's gonna go really super quick. We're gonna take our glue on our gold piece of foil and just glue that together. It is a whopping 28 degrees here today. Oh my gosh, I am freezing. Okay, putting this on the gold foil. And then I'm going to put that centered on the card. Line that up on my grid sheet. And that looks good. All right, then we're going to take this wreath, and I'm going to just put a tiny bit of glue. There's a little circle here that you can see, and I'm just going around that. Don't need much. I'm going to put this on the card in the center. Okay, then we're going to take this one, same thing, put some glue. This one I just actually put little teeny tiny dots on the leaves. You don't really have to do all of them, but it just goes quick, so why not? All right, we're going to put this down right there. Quick and easy. All right. Then we're going to take this little wreath that they give you in the kit, and I'm going to glue that down. Right there. Scooch that up just a tiny bit. All right, I like that. Then we're going to take this little joy, put a tiny bit of glue on that. And then we're going to put this little gold piece right here. And that looks good to me. The berries are showing through the wood, through the wood. There is no wood. Okay, then they give you this twine, and I doubled the twine to save time so you don't have to watch me make this. We're going to do a little bow, and then we're going to take a little dimensional, or not a dimensional, excuse me, a little glue dot. And we're going to put that right up here. And then we're going to have this say, so the stamp set in this set is actually very nice. Everything is nice, big. So you get the wishing you a very Merry Christmas filled with fun and laughter, a big Merry Christmas, joy, another wreath, the berries. This is a very cute set. We are going to actually stamp on this little piece that they gave us in the cherry cobbler that says to the world. So the card will say joy to the world. Stamp that right there. And then we're going to take our scissors and cut this into a flag. So we're going to cut this down right there. I'm going to come and cut this side. There's some little stitched, I'm cutting this stitched off on this tag. And then we're going to cut a flag. So cut that off. Then we're going to come in with our scissors and cut a flag. I should have grabbed my paper snips. They work better, but for this, we're okay. All right, then we have this. And we're going to just glue this right to the bottom of this card. I guess we have to come over because I didn't line this up right. It still works. It's all good. Put that to the edge there. And there you have it. Paper pumpkin alternative. Hope you liked the card. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.